Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to prepare a delicious and healthy soup. It's chicken shorba, where it is soup of Arabia and it has lovely aroma and not spicy. So you can prepare it either with mutton or chicken. Let's get to see how it's prepared. All you need is 200 grams of chicken, then 6 tablespoons of oats, 1 big onion chopped finely, 1 big tomato chopped, then salt as per your taste, small green chili 1 chopped, then lemon juice 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon, a pinch of turmeric, then coriander powder 2 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 3/4 teaspoon. Then you need 1 bay leaf, and then you need to dry roast some spices. That's 2 cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 4 cloves. Grind them to fine powder, and you will need 1 teaspoon from the grinded spice powder. Now add the chicken pieces into the cooker, and then add the bay leaf. Then add in the pepper powder, then cumin powder, then coriander powder, pinch of turmeric, then salt, spice powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste, and then the tomatoes. Add 1 liter of water and give it a good mix. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Now after 10 minutes, open the lid and take out the chicken pieces and keep them aside. We need to shred them to pieces. Now we need to add in the oats. Cook it in medium flame. And keep stirring it in the middle. Now you need to shred the chicken pieces using a fork and add the shredded chicken pieces to the shorba and let that cook for a minute and switch off the flame. Now in a heated kadai, add in 2 tablespoons of butter and the chopped onions. Saute the onions in medium flame and then add in the green chili. Now tempering the shorba is very important as it adds on lovely flavor. When the onions starts to caramelize, pour in the shorba, and you don't want the shorba to boil more, just a minute is enough. Add 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice and switch off the flame. Your chicken shorba is ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve it hot. You can have it along some toasted wheat bread. This is one of the special Ramadan recipes followed by the Arabs. This chicken soup is healthy and easy to prepare, and it's much more nutritious than those instant soup packets that you find at the grocery stores. Don't forget to try and give me your comments.